Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In today's video, we'll walk you through the easy steps to reset your Comfast Wi-Fi extender. Performing a reset is often necessary to fix connectivity problems, restore factory settings, or prepare the extender for a new setup. Stay tuned as we get started. Resetting your Comfast Wi-Fi extender is essential to resolve connectivity issues, restore factory settings, or prepare the device for a fresh setup. This process clears previous configurations, removes potential bugs, and ensures a stable connection by re-establishing compatibility with your router. It's a quick fix for most performance-related problems. Next, make sure your Comfast Wi-Fi extender is powered on. Plug it securely into a power outlet and wait patiently for the indicator lights to stabilize. This signals that the extender is fully powered and ready for the reset process. First, find the reset button on your Comfast Wi-Fi extender. It's usually a small, recessed hole labeled Reset, located on the side or back of the device. Use a paperclip, pin, or similar tool to press the button effectively. Now, take a paperclip or pin and press and hold the reset button for approximately 10 to 15 seconds. Continue holding the button until you notice the indicator lights blinking or turning off momentarily. This indicates that the reset process has begun successfully. After you release the reset button, the Comfast Wi-Fi extender will automatically reboot. This may take up to 2 minutes. Once the indicator lights stop blinking and stabilize, the extender will be restored to its factory default settings, ready for reconfiguration. Now that your extender has been reset, you'll need to set it up again. You can either use the WPS method for a quick connection or access the web interface to reconnect it to your main Wi-Fi network. For more detailed setup instructions, be sure to check out our other videos. If you run into any issues or need further assistance, our team of expert professionals is available to help you every step of the way. Don't hesitate to reach out for support or guidance. Contact us at 1-323-507-3713 for immediate assistance. And that's a wrap. Resetting your Comfast Wi-Fi extender is a simple and fast process. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and subscribe to our channel for more useful tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for our next video.